Hey guys, Dr. Decks here. Welcome to our current deck build in Tacoma, Washington. Thanks for coming to our channel and checking it out. We really appreciate it. If you like what you see today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button or the bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. So welcome to our weekly build update video. So this kind of goes over what we've accomplished since the last time we saw you guys on site. So we're gonna go over all the details and elements of what we've done so far. If you like this video, don't forget to leave us a comment below as well. All right, so let's get right into it. All right, so we have pretty much finished up all of our framework on the deck and we've gone on to laying decking, but I think the last time you were here, I was out of town. The guys were here framing up the deck. So all the joists are done. We have all the staircases framed. 3 of the 4 of those are installed, and one of them we still have left to install. But besides that, everything else is pretty complete. We have all the skirt framing done, so we're ready for skirting as well once we get to that point. And now we've been laying the decking on 2 sides of the deck. We have pretty much the main field boards are laid. We have to now work around the hot tub and around the edge of the hot tub next to the house. And that's our goal today. It's really cold here today in Tacoma, below freezing, and it's gonna stay that way all day. So we're just trying to stay warm and get a little bit of progress done. If we spent the first hour and a half of our day just cleaning off joists and framing and ice off of deck boards and that kind of thing, just so we could actually work for 6 hours. So it's a lot less productive than a regular day at work, but that's okay because we're still getting something done. The clients know we're still here trying to get this project buttoned up for them before Christmas. So basically that's what we've done, and we've used the FastenMaster Cortex hidden fastening system to install all of our field boards. And we've used the Cortex hidden plugging system for the perimeter boards and some of the other stuff that we've had to pin some ends and that kind of thing. So that's where we're at right now. We're getting close to having to make an access panel for the hot tub. So we're gonna get that done here pretty quick. And then we're gonna work around the corner, work around the edge of the hot tub, and kind of start figuring this baby out and see where we end up. All right, guys, I just wanted to introduce you to the newest member of our team. His name is Joe, and his handle is Joe.decks on Instagram. Joe, thanks for coming. Thanks for being with us here, man. What do you think of Dr. Decks so far?
I'm loving it. I like being able to do high quality work.
So do I. That's ironic. So tell us a little bit about yourself. What do you like to do? What are your hobbies?
I'm 20. I am recently gotten really into skateboarding, kind of hard in this weather, so I'm doing a lot of nothing and working right now.
Perfect. We like that. What's the one thing so far that you've learned with Dr. Decks that maybe you didn't realize?
I think just the G-tape, how proper layout really makes things nice, and just everything about composite decking. I haven't done that before.
And how handsome the owner is of the company.
That too.
What is your favorite kind of pizza?
Yesterday, we actually went to Mod Pizza. I kind of like everything with sriracha. Shout out to Shannon for that one.
Shannon, he's ridiculous as well on Instagram. All right, guys, so that is Joe, and you're gonna see a lot of him. He is a little tall. We don't mind that so much. It's all good. Thanks, Joe. We're happy to have you on our team.
Happy to be here.
Basically, we have a strip screw right here. We had to pull the board, but instead of just grinding this off, one way that I will take a screw out is by taking a standard drill, going like so, totally tightening it up, and then clicking it back 1 click to lock it in. Just kidding. And then hit reverse. Boom! There you go. All right, so it's cold today. It's below freezing here in Tacoma. And we went to go use our table saw, and it's been raining for the last 29 days. So it was really wet and it froze. So now I can't move the table saw fence. So we're gonna thaw it out with a heater. We're good. So we've gotten to a point where we're running into the hot tub. We have some funky things going on with some spacing. It never works out. When you're trying to work into something that's already here, you're at the mercy of the width of your deck boards. So we're making an access panel. You can see where I've started to draw this line. There's another line right here. And then I have another board to put in, but it's either put a board in an 1.5-inch board or come up with another alternate way to do this. So what I've decided to do is I'm gonna take a piece of a TimberTech AZEK multi-width, which is 2 inches wider than these. We're gonna put a dark hickory border, chasing this border all the way around the deck. We'll show you what it's starting to look like because we have a couple other boards placed already in the deck. And what we're gonna do is we're going to use a piece of multi-width so that I can have one solid piece on the outside of my access panel, which is gonna be cool. And it fills in that extra gap, which again is very cool because the board is actually about 7.25 inches wide. And that's the gap I have to the hot tub is 7.25. It's gonna fit that perfectly. And then I'm going to do a detail which swoops around in a curve this way. And then I'm gonna run another piece of multi-width down the line down here. So this one section of the deck is actually gonna have a little bit wider border color than the rest of the deck is gonna be in a 5.5 inch. But for this section of the deck where the tub is, and because I'm doing like a really trick inlay border trim piece up against the hot tub, which I haven't done in a really long time. And the last time I did it, I actually had to do it differently. And I'm not gonna get into all the details on that, but this is gonna be a very cool look. It's gonna be a Frenched in look. I think it's very modern. It'll look nice up against the hot tub. So that's my decision. And we'll see how it turns out. When we get closer to the end of this project, you guys can leave a comment and let me know what you think about it. But that's my decision, that's what we're gonna go with. So I'm gonna start cutting these pieces up. I had some multi-width here for a different part of the project, but we're not gonna use it that way. I think we're gonna go ahead and use it for this, and then hopefully I don't run out, but if we do, it's just ordering more materials and getting them here and stuff like that. For now, that's the plan. That's my cut line right there. All right. Alright guys, that's all the time we have for. Thanks for watching and coming to our channel. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below. Let us know what you think of how we're building this deck and our progress so far. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.